Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the introduction of PDRA. Okay, in last playlist, I have uploaded a foundation concept which contain the liquidity, market structure shift, and OT level, and dealing range, and market structure shift. These are the contents available in the foundation concept. If you are new to this channel, watch the foundation concept first. Let's enter into the second PDRA. In the starting, in the beginning, I have told you about I have divided into three types, which is foundation concept and introduction of PDRA, and third is entry module. So first we successfully completed the first module, and now we are going to see about introduction of PDRA. In this video, I will give an introduction what I am going to teach in upcoming video, and this playlist consists of the PDRs, which are order block, fair value gap, mitigation block, breaker block, and market structure shift, and SMT. SMT is nothing but smart money technique. Okay, why we are learning the order block. In last foundation concept, I explained you how to enter into a trade, and in this confirmation, this we use PDRA for our entry model and stop loss. So we need PDRA to enter into trade. So in last video, I will give in last foundation concept I give an outline, and in this video I will give a full how to use PDRAs. So you must know about order block, fair value gap, mitigation block, breaker block, market structure, SMT. Okay. If you use strong in foundation concepts, you need to interlearn each concept together. So I listen to upload each content video in playlist. So if you have doubt, you can comment in comment section. I will upload 12 content in playlist. Thank you.